Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the network and internet, then go to the hotspot and tethering and Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password, and you can also change its you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected in order to save battery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.